Hello. Do you feel like the key to your happiness is in someone else's hands? Does your entire day depend on whether they texted you back or not? Often, in love and care, we become so blind that we put our self-respect at stake. We call repeatedly, we send strings of messages, we plead for attention. But what do we get in return? Silence, being ignored, and a pain that words cannot describe. Today, I will show you the path that the world calls the no contact rule. This is not just a method, it is a psychological weapon that brings back your lost value. Psychology has a simple rule. When supply is high, demand drops. When you are available for someone 24/7, when you constantly forgive their mistakes, you create an image in their mind that says, "This person isn't going anywhere." It is human nature to chase what is hard to get. When you cut off contact, you shatter their certainty. You become a mystery. Questions start arising in their mind. Where did they go suddenly? Do they not need me anymore? This curiosity is the seed that regrows your importance in their heart. 3. The mirror of silence. Silence is a mirror that forces the other person to look at their own behavior. When you stop reacting, you stop feeding their ego. Most people expect you to chase them because it makes them feel powerful. By staying silent, you take that power back. You are telling them, without saying a word, that your life does not revolve around them. This silence creates a vacuum, and in that vacuum, they start to remember the good times, the care they took for granted, and the person they are losing. Silence speaks louder than any argument ever could. No contact does not mean you just switch off your phone and wait for them to come crawling back. No, this is the time for self-construction. If you only wait, your mind will become weaker. During this silence, you must work on yourself. Focus on your health, your career, and your abandoned dreams. When they eventually see a changed, confident, and successful version of you, their regret will double. Silence has the power to bend even the biggest ego. It screams, "I am complete even without you." This period is also about your own healing. You have been addicted to their presence, and like any addiction, withdrawal hurts. But this pain is necessary. It clears the fog from your brain. You start to realize that you were settling for crumbs when you deserve the whole bread. You begin to find your own voice again. The no contact rule is 20% about them and 80% about you. It's about taking your heart out of the line of fire and putting it back in your own chest. 6. When to break the silence. People ask, how long should I stay silent? The answer is, until you no longer feel the desperate need for them. When you reach a point where a reply from them doesn't change your mood, that is when you have truly won. During this time, that person will likely test you, check your social media, or try to get a reaction. Your continued silence becomes their biggest punishment. Remember, the person who could not value your words does not deserve your silence. If you are going through this pain, promise yourself today, I will value myself. Go silent, disappear, and focus on your life. If they are meant for you, they will hear the noise of your silence and return. And if not, then the universe has something much better planned for you. Don't lose hope. You are not alone. If this video helped you, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more. Be strong.